Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to teach you on how to remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. Okay, now the first thing that you need to do is just to open your web browser and then type out business.facebook.com. Okay, so you'll be able to go to this website. And now you just have to click on settings at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can find it here. Okay, then you just have to wait for a few seconds. So right after that, you just have to click on this business assets. Okay, then you'll be able to see your page here. So you just have to click on the page that you want to remove. So for example, this page, just click on it. Okay, just wait for a few seconds. And then right after that, you'll be able to see these three dots here beside the X icon. So you just have to click on that. And then you'll be able to see this remove page from Meta Business Suite. So you just have to click on that. So now that you have tapped the option, your Facebook page will be removed from Meta Business Suite. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorials in the future. Bye-bye.